What's up, my lovely people? How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are watching this from. This is CP Heritage Lodge. I have been staying here for 2 days. Today is my last day here, so amazing views. Right now I'm going to do an exciting what? Excursion, you know. So I'm going to do abseiling, guys. I might break that thing and I find myself at the bottom, but hello, how are you? So guys, I am going to do abseiling. I am not sure whether that string is strong enough to carry my weight, but it is a do or die thing. So I wanted to bring you to these bamboo trees. They are beautiful for me. Look, guys, it is so thick, like literally. So this place is an amazing stop. Actually, most tourists prefer this place because I think even the hosts are amazing, even the views are amazing. So literally everything is beautiful. So they told me it is on the other side of the hill where we do abseiling. So my guide, I was waiting for my guide, he's here already. So we are starting out, guys. So if you are joining at this time, this is Christine. Come see me. CK to the world is my channel name. So you are super welcome. If you're stopping by for the first time, the longer you stay, the better. Hi Ronnie. So guys, these are my team. Like for the 2 days I've been here, they have been supportive. So guys, I feel so touristic right now, so because these are the trucks that ferry in all the tourists. So guys, it is a new day, it is a new video, so watch full length and see how I am going to break that abseiling stuff. Hello guys. So when you come out, this is how it looks at the main road. This is the main entrance, guys. How are you? Hi. Yeah, subscribe to my channel, CK to the world. You will see yourself there. Yeah, so guys, we are going to abseil. Yo, wagwan. You're now really. So guys, these are amazing, guys. Like, they are hospitable. This place, people are social, and they are no, like, you can't feel insecure when you're here. Everyone is likable. If you ask them, they give you directions to where and what to do and where to pass. Guys, they are sociable people here in Kapchorwa. Kapchorwa, I think they are, what is your tribe, Simon? Sabine. Sabay people. Guys, they are amazing human beings. They are so helpful, social, that is the word here. So he's taking me to abseil. Guys, I am even not ready. I might break that thing and I find myself at the bottom. But what weight, what is the biggest weight that rope can take?
It is 1,200 kgs.
Guys, that sounds safe for me because I'm not 1,000, of course. Guys, I'm not 1,000 weight kgs, but I am not light. So I'm wondering, when I reach, maybe I'll have to first shake those poles.
Yeah, the beginning is a bit scary.
I am not a coward, guys. You know, when I am in, I am in. So I'm gonna break it if it is not careful. So let's go and do this. Oh yes, that's where we were. Yeah, the waterfalls. Guys, when I told you that there are beautiful views, this is what I meant. You know, now I am using a GoPro. It may not pick the farthest beauty. That's why you should come yourself and you see it like physically. Oh man, you will understand the thing. Whoa guys, the truck is almost on me. Yeah, so actually here ahead I've seen a post saying the best viewpoint is up there. Yeah, so let me reach there. And of course these buses are for other tourists, guys. You see, it is the thing. Yeah. Hi guys. Hi. So you see, these are tourists, like they have come all the way to come and see what is happening here at CP Falls. Wow. Here is the viewpoint around here, but this tree has overgrown. Oh, I get it now, guys. The viewpoint, CP Falls, right there. Show them. Right here. This is the best view.
Yes. It's the instructor of Abseiling.
Hey,
Yes.
where are you going now?
I'm going home.
Hey, who will I find there? There are other instructors?
There are group is there.
Okay. I'm at it again. Hello. I'm at it again, sloping. What an amazing experience I've had for these 3 days I've been in Kapchorwa. This is the thing. So today I'm doing the craziest, and the road to the place is Manganyu because it is slippery but not as dangerous as the one we did in the previous videos. It is a rainy season. It has started here in the village of Kapchorwa, the countryside. So it is slippery, guys. Oh, what can I tell you? But we are doing this. I am going down here. They have told me the guide is ahead of me here. Simon, Sema, yes. Hi. Yes, hello. So we are in the bush here.
We are at the coffee plantation.
Yeah, they grow a lot of coffee. These are coffee, Arabica coffee. These are not yet ripe, but yeah, they usually grow together with the banana plantation. If you have a banana plantation, you can drop 1, 2, 3 plants of coffee. You have said this is Arabica.
Yeah,
Arabica coffee, guys. So I've passed many. They are spreading it. No, by the roadside actually they do it. They spread their harvest by the roadside. Whoa, guys. This trip, oh, there is another amazing view here of the rapids, the waterfalls. And guys, I'm seeing like in a few hours it is going to rain. Hopefully I'll have done this activity because God has been good. Though it is raining in these 3 days I've been here, it has not rained like seriously. But you see the place is still all wet. It is all wet like the mud. Guys, the closer I get, the more I wonder whether I'm going to manage this excursion. Woo. Look at these beautiful, amazing rocks that I am hiking again. This is a hiking season. I'm hiking down, guys, right now. Simon, you didn't remind me of my stick.
The stick. But here it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
Just going down here, not
okay, not far.
yeah,
We have to do this quickly. If the rain finds us here, we shall definitely sleep in the forest. Guys, this stone moved. Do you see that? Because of the rain. So one day it will roll up to the bottom. It will roll up to down. Guys, if you have any ailments, knee issues, back, whatever, back pain, backache, I'm not sure whether you can come back whole. Just sliding now. Yeah, we are approaching the abseiling point. Wow. Wow, guys. Today it's as if there are many people going. I mean, going abseiling, like they are doing this activity. But the queue is so long. I don't know whether I'll be able to wait. So guys, I arrived well at the abseiling site. This is where it is done. But I'm just chilling here waiting for other people that I found here abseiling. So definitely I am doing this. And Simon, you have said it is how long? 100 meters height. Guys, 100 meters down. So I'm taking it down, guys. 100 meters. All the fear will jump out today. Anyway, guys, I never fear because I am born again. So be ready to do this, guys. You know the thing, how it goes. So about 5 people to go. So watch until the end as you see me down there. It is an amazing view, so stay tuned. This is the water that is going to give me the view of the abseiling waterfall. So it comes from up here. Yeah. So it comes from up here. You see that? So it comes and flows. After this rapid, there is a waterfall. So it is what I'm going to abseil, guys. You understand? Yeah. This place is amazing. It is so beautiful, like literally beautiful, like priceless, you know, guys, because it is only God who has provided these views, nothing else. So there are people going down, like I am the 6th on the row. So let's do this. And across, I think that is Noah's Ark, if I'm not mistaken.
That is Lakam Lodge.
It is?
Lakam Lodge.
Lakam.
Yeah, Lakam.
Guys, Lakam Lodge over there. And I see some view huts there, right here. There is a tiny waterfall here. Guys, this place is made up of waterfalls. So, guys, if you look where we are going, you won't believe. Down here, of course, you are going to get a better view when I am down right there. Even the camera can't point there, but definitely I'm going to go with my camera and you will see this amazing view. Watch till the end. Yeah, if you want to see what we mean by Pearl of Africa, guys. Yeah, Pearl of Africa. This is a typical definition of what it means to be in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa. Look at those hills, the downside, like the lowlands are around here. Yeah, so that's where we are abseiling to. I met an amazing manager here. He has been into this for quite some time.
Hello.
Nice to meet you, Robert.
Meeting you.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Guys, I am excited about this, but again, it puts my heart to beating. You know, guys, abseiling is not a joke, but if you do it, you have dealt with all the fears. So thank you for this arrangement.
You're welcome.
So how have you been here? For how long?
That's a good question. I've been here for the last 20 years.
20, like 1, 2, 3, 20
Like,
guys.
yes, 20 years. I was actually trained by Italians.
Italians, yes.
Initially, it was supposed to be sport line,
Mm.
but only that when we realized there's potential of bolting up here
Yeah.
to do the abseiling,
Yes.
we came up here
Mm.
and did the abseiling.
Yeah, yeah.
We bolted it up, just screwed some of the hooks.
Guys, I am going to show you how they screwed it up.
We screwed the hooks.
So it is strong enough, like me who is overweight, guys.
Yes, it
We
can
need-
hold. It can hold the 500 kilograms.
Guys, I don't want to threaten these stones and then I find myself at the bottom.
No. Safety is the most important thing.
Yes, yes.
What happens is that since we've been doing this, we are actually satisfied by European standards.
Yes, yes.
And what
Oh,
happens is that
that sounds good.
we actually dispose of these ropes after every 5 months.
Yes.
So we buy new
New
gears.
rope,
That is
yeah,
what the
yes.
procedure says
Wow,
in the European standards.
wow.
So we
Guys,
don't use-
already I am feeling safe, you
Yes.
know, because these ropes, well, they are strong ropes. I'm joking when I say that I might break them because they are strong ropes.
Indeed,
yeah.
they are very, we call it dynamic ropes. These are actually imported ropes. We don't just buy it locally here. What happens is there are very special people who actually make these ropes for rock climbing,
Yeah.
specifically for this extreme
Rock
adventure.
climbing.
Rock climbing and abseiling. What we are going to do today is abseiling.
Abseiling, guys.
So the next one is rock climbing. If CK comes back, we will go for the rock climbing.
Where are you
Which is,
seeing?
that one is done Venice
Just
Moses campsite. Right
over
up
there.
where you see the
Guys,
rocks. So we'll
next
come back
time-
next time rock climbing.
There.
But for today, we're doing the abseiling.
Abseiling.
100 meters,
Guys,
300 feet above sea level,
300 feet
above
above
sea
sea
level,
level and 100 meters long.
100 meters long, 10 meters to the main CP waterfalls.
Yo!
What an awesome adventure. You guys out
Guys.
there, you should come, hit me up.
Yes, I'm going to leave his contact in the description box. You check us out. Come and support these guys. They are doing amazing, exciting
Thank you, CK.
activities. And guys, if you do this, you are forever out of fear. So let's do this. Keep watching to the end. Give the video a like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll definitely see
you there.
on my next one.
You're welcome.
So guys, it is my turn. Okay? Do or die, do or die. Guys, is this comfortable enough? Like, woo, guys, we are ready for this. Like that.
It's falling.
Guys, so I am ready. I feel strong already. Strapped up, guys. Guys, you see the abs are already coming before I even do abseiling.
Yes.
Who does this, guys, and remains with the fear? So if you are looking for an excursion, an activity to do, abseiling, and we have Robert right here, who is a master of this game, so you have nothing to fear. We are going through the training. This is the rope now. Like this. I'm strong. Like that.
Lower you down as you go, and then actually just let go the hands, That is the moment for a picture.
Like this. Guys, we are ready.
Ready to go. Good.
You are not even ready, guys. Let me
careful.
I shouldn't have missed again.
Yes.
Wow, one guys, one we are in. I have met an amazing gentleman here. He's called Robert.
Yes.
If you want to do abseiling, he is the plug. I'm going to leave his contact in the description box, and I'll leave for Ronald in the description box. He is the tour guide for the day. So guys, I'm waiting to finish this well, and Robert was telling me that Joshua Cheptegei, guys, is running tonight. I can't wait and go to my hotel to wait for his running. I hope he's going to bring the gold, guys.
He's going to bring that gold medal back here in Uganda.
Yes.
Just go to any other television, NBS,
I think
MTV,
they should cover
at
that.
10:30.
10:30
You'll
guys.
watch the hero running.
Thank you. It
You're
was
welcome.
not in my mind.
Yes.
So I'm going to run. And
remember, Cheptegei comes from here,
Yes,
Sepi Falls, and
yes.
this is where he trains.
He trains,
where
yeah.
CK is going to upsell down. That
Yes.
is where Cheptegei always runs up and down
Yeah.
like a mountain goat. Remember just to turn your TVs on and watch Joshua Cheptegei run at 10:30.
guys, that is our celebrity
Don't
here
forget.
in
Kapchorwa.
Kapchorwa.
It's a Bay region.
Yep. Guys, life at the edge. So this is the stuff that works here. Like literally, life is at the edge. So I'm putting it up out there. So yeah, guys, we are ready. The rope is coming up for me. So guys, I am ready. So here is, what is your name?
Joseph.
Guys, the name of the
Rob's Roaring Rock Uganda Limited
is called
Adventure Crew.
Yes, Adventure Crew, Rob's Rolling Rock. It is. So I'm going to leave that name in the description. Yeah. Guys, make sure the knot is not doubting a thing.
Yeah, this is the figure of 8. We call it double figure of 8.
Yes, double figure of 8.
Strong note.
I just want you to be comfortable. Stand straight.
Yes.
Stand straight.
Guys, I can't breathe anymore.
High five.
High five?
Yeah.
Like how?
Spread your hands like this.
Like this.
Yes.
Can you tell?
Are
Can you
ready?
tell me something here?
Guys, we are ready. Hey, I don't want to look behind, but just guys know this is abseiling. I am ready to deal with this, guys. Yo!
Like that, okay?
Woo! Woo!
How is it
Guys,
now? Just turn your feet down. Turn your feet down. Turn your feet down.
guys, I'm going.
Look at the view.
Woo! Guys! Woohoo! I'm going, guys. Like, woohoo! Thank you, guys. Woohoo, guys! Woohoo! Guys, right here, look. Guys, I am doing it. Abseiling down here. It's not a joke, guys. It is not a joke. Guys, look at the rope. I can't believe I'm doing this. Woohoo! Hey! Guys, I'm just enjoying my moments on the rocks. Guys, look. Look at the view. Woohoo! Guys, 100 meters. 100 meters. We are going down. Look, guys. Woohoo! Amazing! Woohoo! I don't know who signed me up for this, but yeah. Woohoo! been down here. The place is so virgin. Woohoo! I am under the waterfall. Look, the view. Guys, look at where I am. Woo! Look. Down here. Guys, I have conquered this. I have conquered this. Woohoo! Guys, look at where I am going. Look at where I'm coming. 100 meters down. Guys, look at the thing, the sky hitting me. Woohoo! Guys, you are not ready. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yeah, you can't stand. Yeah, you can't.
Okay. Guys, I'm down and it is raining.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Look at us, guys. Here we are.
Yeah.
Well done, guys. I appreciate.
Yeah.
Thank you for
What's your
taking
number?
me. Guys, look at this.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Woo, guys, subscribe, comment, share.
Hold down.
I do what? Still too. Guys, I have conquered it. Look. Yeah. Sorry. Oh, guys, I have made it, guys. Subscribe. Guys, see what